As you can see right here, I'll be able to make myself about 106% in profit, 85% in profit, and about 182% in profit just from this new method of making money in futures trading. Yes, I mean in futures trading, trading new listed tokens on MEXC wallet. So for you to get right into this video, let me quickly say this. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, that means you are missing a big lot. And I've also created a new Telegram account, I mean a new Telegram channel, where when I even drop the first video, a tutorial video on this before, like I dropped it around June 7 before making the video right now. So you can hit the link in the video description for you to join my free Telegram channel and my WhatsApp channel. And this method is what I've used to actually turn a $5 to $43 just within some minutes. So you can't wait to miss this, right? So what you have to do is to click on the link down the video description for you to actually register on a MEXC account. If the link continue to stop and you are unable to register, you can try to use VPN, and once you are done with it, you can go to your Google Play Store and download the MEXC wallet. Yes, you can hit on the MEXC on your search bar and download the MEXC wallet. So if you're looking for confirmation on if it's true that I actually made this amount of money for myself, let me show you some records right here. Just hold on. Let me go to order and trade history. Let me go to recent 30 days. No, 30 days, yeah. As you can see right here, this one I made myself $10 from this. Okay, I'm still coming. It's not the end yet. If you even have losses on this, the losses will be so tiny because there is a way you can actually predict for this. So let me quickly take it to the bottom. Okay, here is it. It's the 1ND USDT. So let me click on PNL amount for you to see. As you can see right here, the amount is about 27.8 USDT from this. Yes, from this. So for you to actually start this, you just have to go to your wallet, and all you have to do is just to deposit some funds here. You have to deposit some funds right here, and you are going to be making money just from this with the help of ChatGPT. Yes, you heard me correctly, with the help of ChatGPT. So after depositing your money in your wallet, you just have to move the money to your official's wallet. I will actually make a tutorial on that. If you need it, you can actually comment below that I need the tutorial. So I made a tutorial on that. So after you have already deposited the money right in your official's wallet, you just have to go to home, go back to the home section. As you can see right here, there are some new listed tokens that are going to launch, that are going to list right here, and their countdown is actually going. So right here, you can see the last one right here is actually having perpetual at the bottom, which is futures, and the rest is actually on spot, and we are based on futures because that's where we are going to make the money. So right here, this bomb here says 5 days coming. So how can we know if we are to short the coin or not? So for you to know if you are to short the coin, you just have to go straight to you just have to click on the link to go straight to our Telegram channel. And here is the channel. And I just created this Telegram channel just for the sake of this. And all you have to do, as you can see right here, this is the prompt you are using for this. This is the prompt. So you just have to copy the prompt. You copied it and you go straight to your ChatGPT. So let me just go to my ChatGPT and actually perform this for you to see right in this video. Yes, so let me click on this button that's at the top, and okay, just so done. So I'm going to paste this right away. So after pasting this, I just have to change the name of the coin right here to bomb. I think that's the name, bomb. So let me just cross check. In 5 days coming. So I just have to change this to, as you can see right here, this one is in the next 18 hours because the prompt you are using is bomb year set to launch on MEXC futures. Okay, let me just change it before going through it. 5 days, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just cross check. So as you can see right here, the prompt you are using is that Bomb US set to launch on MEXC futures in the next 5 days. Did they conduct an airdrop that might lead some orders to sell upon launch? What percentage of their tokens was allocated for the airdrop? Send me that Telegram group link and SP. So I just have to click on send and wait for ChatGPT to analyze this for us. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT is already at work. So let's go through it. Here's the verified information from Bomb USD launching soon on MEXC. Airdrop at tokenomics overview. Yes, Bomb conducted an airdrop. This is what we want to hear. They conducted an airdrop. Not only this, but the airdrop allocation is about 70% of the total supply, which means that if this 70% is unlocked immediately, the price we're gonna dump. Yeah, the price of that token we're gonna dump, and we have to shorten that coin. So let's go through it again. Unlocked immediately at TJ, so it will be unlocked immediately. It will be unlocked immediately. No one will be logged. So distributed to the community members and players. Blah blah blah. We are ready to want to look for, and as you can see right here, they are even giving us the listing date, which is June 17, 2025 at 10:05 UTC. So they are also giving us some trading strategy advice. Because of the 70% long airdrop, consider waiting for early drop before lodging. Airdrop high leverage short unless volume plus price action confirm dump. Now even telling us right here at the bottom that after dump, try there may be a deep buy opportunity if project will gain traction. They are telling that the project we're gonna dump. That's what ChatGPT is even analyzing for you right away, because 70% is very very high. Yeah, 17% is very very high. Even 10%, 8% dump some project very very well. Not talk of 17%. This project is gonna dump really big. Yeah. So right here, if how can you know if a project we're gonna dump their percentage? Let me say from 6% upward. Just put it that the project we're gonna dump. You have to short it that coin. Some of the projects gave about 0.03% to their airdrop for their airdrop, and those ones are the ones that will log at TG. That type of project we're gonna pump. Yes, we're gonna pump. Let me show you one right here. So let's go to trade. This one is on spot, not futures. So let me click on this button right there and change it to keyboard. This is the name of the coin. So let's go to the chart and see some of the candles that they. So that we're using 1 day time frame. So as you can see right here, the coin went as high as $28. As you can see right here, let's look at the price it was launched. Let me go to a 1 hour time frame for this. As you can see right here, the coin was launched around $0.1. As you can see right here, $0.1, $0.1, and the coin went as high as getting to $28. The coin went as high as getting to $28. So that's $0.1. Let me see, you bought about 100 of it. Let's have a calculator for this. $0.1 times, let me see, 100 of it, that's $10. So it went to $28 times $100 times 100 of it, that's about $2,200. Just $2,200 within 2 days. Within 2 days. So this is how you can actually share the pictures to know if a coin is gonna pump on dump. So if you are new on how you can actually place trade on futures, I'm going to make a video on that specially. But if you still want the video, you can still comment down below that I need the video on how to actually trade futures on MEXC wallet. Futures on MEXC wallet, and I'm going to make the video about that. I'll make a video about that. So this is how I actually used to make money in the past few days, and you can actually do that for yourself as well. But note this video is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your due diligence yourself before diving into any crypto related investment or project. So if you are new to my channel and you are yet to subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video and stay with me to the end, thank you very much and congrats to you in advance. Make sure you like the video, put down a comment down there in the comment box, share this video, and also if you are yet to subscribe and you're returning subscribers, if you are yet to subscribe, and if you're returning subscribers, thank you very much for returning back to my video. And so see you in the next video, guys.